that was easy.
That's what the Tailgater is about, easy. The Tailgater comes with a 54-quart cooler with Bluetooth speakers. Over here, barbecue grill, propane, 198 square inches of grill surface, and there is a bigger one you can buy. This is optional also, toolbox. It's got all the tools in it you can set up right here on the mag bar. Get yourself all set up like the master chef you are. Work surface, 400 square inches of work surface for cutting food, laying out, doing your what have you.
Hey Dad, can I take the Tailgater to my friend's pool party?
Go for it.